Good morning children. Today video section of 9th standard unit 2 ancient civilization. From this lesson the first video we had seen the Egyptian civilization and Mesopotamian civilization. Now we are going to see the another topic Chinese civilization and Indus civilization. Let us move to the lesson. Students, we will continue the lesson, the third civilization, Chinese civilizations. The Chinese civilization has two major rivers. One is known as Yangtze, that's named Yellow River, and the other is called the Yangtze River. The Yellow River is known as the sorrow of China, since it changed its course and caused frequent floods, polity and emperors. Shi Huangdi, Queen Shi Huang, another name, which means the first emperor, the founded the Queen Qin dynasty. The emperor had the title Son of Heaven. He is considered to be the first emperor of China. The Shi Huangdi destroyed the wall fortifications of different states and constructed the Great Wall of China to protect the empire from the invading nomadic people. He also built roads to integrate the empire, Han Empire. During this period, a written history of this empire was made available in China. The greatest of Han empires, Yu Ti the Great, expanded the empire and built many public amenities, including the irrigation tanks. Some of the Chinese silk might have reached Rome through the ports of Tamilagam. The Terracotta Army. The Terracotta Army refers to the large collection of terracotta warriors images found in China. The dispersed armies of the Queen Shi Huang, the first emperor of China. Philosophy and the literature. The Chinese poet and philosophers such as Lao Tzu, Confucius, Mencius, the three philosophers contributed to the development of Chinese civilization. Lao Tzu. He was the master of archive keeper of Chao state. He was founder of Taoism. He argued that desire is root cause of all evils. Confucius was famous among the Chinese philosophers. He was a political reformer. His name means king. If professional life is cultivated, family life is regulated, and once family life is regulated, national life is regulated. Mencius was another well-known Chinese philosopher. He traveled throughout the China and offered his counsel to the rulers. Chinese script. Chinese developed a writing system from an early time. Initially it was pictographic system and later it was converted into symbol of form. Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Harappan Civilization, covers an area of 1.5 million square kilometers. It is located, look at the map students, look at the Pakistan, Afghanistan and India. Harappan culture has been founded. Its main concentration is the region of Gujarat Pakistan, Rajasthan and Haryana. The Harappans used the baked and unbaked bricks and stones for the construction. A civic authority perhaps controlled the planning of towns. A few of the houses had more than one floor. The tanks called the Great Bath. And the Mohenjo-daro was the important structure, well paved with several adjacent rooms. Some unearthed structure have been identified as a granary. Pottery. The Harappans used the painted pottery. Their potteries have a deep red slip and black paintings. The metals, tools and weapons. The Harappans used the charred blades, copper objects and bones and ivory tools. They did not possess the knowledge about the iron. The tools and equipment such as point, cheese, needles, fish cook, waiting pans, textile and ornaments. The Harappans used the metal and stone ornaments. They had knowledge of cotton and silk textiles. The Harappan had a close trade link with the Mesopotamian. Weight and measures. The Harappans developed a system of proper weight and measures since they engaged in the commercial transaction. The copper plates for weighting balances have also been found. Seals and sealing scripts. The seals from the various media such as satellite, steatite, copper, terracotta and the ivory are found in the Harappan sites. They were probably used in the trade activities. The terracotta paintings on the pottery and the bronze image from the Harappan sites suggest the artistic skill of Harappans. The priest king made of steatite and the dancing girls made the bronze, as well as the stone sculptures from Harappam, Mohenjo-daro and Talviram are the important object of art. Religion. The Indus religion. The Indus people had a close relationship with the nature. They worshipped pipal trees. Some of the terracotta figures resemble on the mother goddesses. The Indus Valley civilization, Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Chinese civilization, Indus Valley civilization. The four civilization is very important in the ancient civilization. The Egyptian civilization, it is located in the Nile river Nile. The Mesopotamian civilization, it is middle of the two rivers, and also Indus Valley civilization, it is the Indus river. The Chinese civilization, it is located in the Yellow rivers. So the four civilization very close to the rivers. Recap. The civilization are relatively complex social systems. The Egyptian civilizations excelled in architecture and the pyramids where it is important contributions. The Mesopotamian civilization contributed to the development of calendar system. The Chinese civilization contributed in terms of philosophy and invention. The Indus civilization produced a variety of commodities using innovative techniques. Thank you, students.